Good morning, class 8th. So today, yesterday we have finished up till here, this page. We were talking about the infinitives. So we have stopped there yesterday. Okay. So today we are going to start with we were doing the topic finite and non-finite verbs. So we have completed up to the finite verbs, then non-finite gerunds, infinitives and participles, and today we are going to start with the bare infinitives. Bare infinitives. Now what is this? So today we are going to start with this. Today is 3rd, 11/20 and it is Tuesday. Okay. Yes. Now come to this. A bare infinitive is a verbal without to. Means I told you that in infinitive to is used with the verb. Here I told you about that. Here it was told that infinitives are formed by using the word to before the verb in its base form. So now we are going to talk about the bare infinitives. So what are bare infinitives? A bare infinitive is the verbal without to. The basic form of the verb used with some special verbs and modals is called bare infinitive. Basic form of verb. वर्ब की जो बेसिक फॉर्म होती है यूज्ड विद सम स्पेशल वर्ब्स, और ये स्पेशल वर्ब्स के साथ यूज होते हैं और मोडाल्स के साथ यूज होते हैं. इनको हम बेयर इन्फिनेटिव कहते हैं. व्हाट डू वी कॉल? बेयर इन्फिनेटिव. नाउ द स्पेशल वर्ब्स. हमारे स्पेशल वर्ब्स कौन से? सी, ऑब्जर्व, वॉच, हेल्प, मेक, बिड, हियर, let, need and dare. These are some special verbs. इनके साथ हमारे bare infinitives लगते हैं. Like, see the example. I saw the plane land. This is the verb. And this is the special verb. I saw. ये आ गया हमारा special verb. ठीक है ना? saw. सी का हमने फॉर्म चेंज किया इसमें. आई सॉ द प्लेन लैंड. मेन वर्ब ये हो गया हमारा, एंड ये हमारा स्पेशल वर्ब है. तो इसमें हमारा कोई इन्फिनेटिव जो लगा है वो बेयर इन्फिनेटिव है. मीन्स इसमें हमारा टू नहीं लगा है. दीज आर विदाउट टू इन्फिनेटिव्स. माई मदर मेड मी टू डू द वर्क. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो द वर्ब, बट इसके साथ जो हमने मेड लगाया है, जो हमारा स्पेशल वर्ब है, वो लगेगा. ये देखिए, विथ सम स्पेशल वर्ब्स एंड मोडाल्स. या तो ये स्पेशल वर्ब्स के साथ यूज होते हैं बेयर इन्फिनेटिव्स. ये हमारा बेयर इन्फिनेटिव है. ये बेयर इन्फिनेटिव है हमारा, और ये हमारा स्पेशल वर्ब है. ये देखिए, प्लीज लेट मी गो. नाउ गो इज हियर द बेयर इन्फिनेटिव एंड लेट इज द स्पेशल वर्ब हियर. I need not speak with him. This is the verb and this is the bare infinitive. I watched him. Watched him enter the museum. Now there is no to. No to is used here. This is the special verb and this is the bare infinitive. He bade me come. He bade me come. So this is the bid का बच्चे ये past tense होता है. bade. This is verb and this is bare infinitive. The boy helped me lift the heavy box. Helped me. Again this is the verb and this is bare infinitive. She dares not oppose anyone. She dares not. Verb and bare infinitive. So the object nouns जो होते हैं हमारे, the plane, him, me, etc. are placed between the special verbs and the bare. ये जैसे हमारा था ना द प्लेन, ये इस लाइन में आया द प्लेन, ये सेंटर में आया. It is placed between the special verbs and the bare infinitives. The plane आया, then him आया, me आया, ये सब इनके बीच में आ रहे हैं ना. They are placed between the special verbs and the bare infinitives. So the object जो nouns होते हैं हमारे, ये यहाँ पे ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ पे ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ ये है, तो ये क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट नाउन्स है हमारे, और ये इनके बीच में प्लेस हुए हैं. नाउ वी कम टू द मोडाल्स. मोडाल्स कैन, कुड, विल, वुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड. ये तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं, यू नो दैट, वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड दिस. ठीक है ना. तो जो हमारे मोडाल्स हैं ये वाले हैं, कैन, कुड, will, would, may, might, shall, should. So I can climb. Now this is the modal here and this is the bare infinitive. She could not, ये modal लग गया और meet हो गया bare infinitive. He might complete, this is modal and this is bare infinitive. I shall work hard, modal and bare infinitive. The bare infinitive is also used after the following had, better, had, rather, would, rather. तो जो ये bare infinitive है ये इनको भी फॉलो करता है, मीन्स इनके बाद भी लग जाता है. So there are so many rules which you have to memorize them. So you have to keep these things in mind while doing your papers or while solving these exercises, because in grammar there are a lot of rules, and grammar you have to memorize these rules, and the more you will practice the more you will be proficient in grammar. So you had better ask from permission, you had better. ये आ गया हमारा bare infinitive और ये आ गया हमारा had better, had rather than, sit idle. तो यहाँ पे भी हमारा had rather लगा है. I had rather work than sit idle means मैं खाली बैठने से अच्छा है काम करना पसंद करूँगा. You had better ask permission means आप पहले परमिशन लेना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. I would rather quit than do such illegal activities means मैं ऐसी illegal activities करने से अच्छा है मैं यहाँ से quit करूँगा, means I will leave this place. So जो हमारे bare infinitives हैं वो कहाँ कहाँ लगते हैं. एक तो special verbs हैं हमारे, इनके बीच में और हमारे bare infinitive के बीच में हमारा object noun लगता है. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा स्पेशल वर्ब एंड दिस इज अवर बेयर इन्फिनिटिव. सो या तो हमारे बेयर इन्फिनिटिव स्पेशल वर्ब्स के आगे लगते हैं या फिर वो मोडाल्स लगते हैं उनके साथ यूज होते हैं, या फिर इनके साथ यूज होते हैं, हैड बेटर, हैड रादर एंड वुड रादर. नाउ वी कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस विद द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ इन्फिनिटिव्स. We must dash that your payment is overdue. Now यहाँ to inform है, informing है और या inform है. तो क्या आएगा? We must, to inform तो नहीं बच्चे लग रहा है, तो we must inform you that your payment is overdue. I heard him cry, to cry और crying. अब आप बोल के देखिए. I heard him to cry, no. I heard him cry, ठीक है. I heard him crying, वो भी ठीक है. I heard him cry भी ठीक है. I heard him crying भी ठीक है, क्योंकि इन्फिनिटिव्स हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो भी सूट करता है we can write this. We have dash overtime. We have do overtime, doing overtime या to do overtime. We have to do overtime. यहाँ पे to वाला infinitive लगेगा. Do you mind dash the window? Do you mind to open the window या opening the window या open the window? Opening the window. Do you mind opening the window? I cannot pay so much money for the tuitions. I cannot paying नहीं सूट करेगा. पे भी सूट नहीं करेगा और टू भी. आई कैनॉट टू पे, नो, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. द टीचर मेड द स्टूडेंट स्टैंडिंग, टू स्टैंड और स्टैंड. टीचर मेड द स्टूडेंट स्टैंड. वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू डैश फ्रॉम यू सून. हियरिंग, हियर और टू हियर. वी लुक फॉरवर्ड, टू लगा हुआ है बच्चे यहाँ पे पहले, हियर, फ्रॉम यू सून. कैथरीन मैनेज्ड an important customer. Acquiring, to acquire or acquire. Catherine managed to acquire an important customer. 9. Jane is busy. Invitations for our company's anniversary celebrations. क्या आएगा? Write आएगा, writing आएगा, writing. Jane is busy writing invitations for our company anniversary celebration. Now we come here. Could you let me dash my sentence? Finished, finishing or finish. Could you let me finish my sentence? It is hard to dash certain customers. Pleasing, to please or please. It is hard to please certain customers. Let me begin by. Now what will come? Tell, telling or told. Let me begin by telling you something about our company's history. She would rather dash than work. She would rather playing, to play or play. तो यहाँ क्या सूट कर रहा है ज़्यादा? She would rather play than work. We risk dash a lot of money. We risk losing lot of money. Bid him dash there. Bid him to go there. Now we have finished with this exercise also. Now we come to exercise number 5. Within a whole, this is mark the finite and the non-finite verbs in the poem given. The miser and his gold. So they have given the extract of a poem. Within a hole which he had made. Within a hole which he had made, a miser kept his treasure. Kept here is the finite. He came to see it every day. Came. Came तो बच्चे फॉर्म चेंज कर लेगा ना अपना. It will agree to the verb. So it is finite. To see ऐसा ही रहेगा. It will not change its form. So this is non-finite. This was his only treasure. This was his only pleasure. Now it chanced that once, chanced. Now it chanced as he knelt by the hole, as he knelt, again finite, he was seen by a robber bold. And there he was, as he knelt by the hole, means जैसे वो अपनी होल के पास knelt हुआ, झुका, he was seen by a robber bold. तो उसने देखा कि एक रॉबर ने उसको, बहुत अच्छा बोल्ड रॉबर था, उसने उसे देख लिया. ही वॉज सीन. तो यहाँ सीन हमारा फिनाइट ही होगा. एंड द रॉबर केम बैक. और रॉबर जो है वापस आया. अगेन इट इज अ फिनाइट. द वेरी सेम नाइट एंड टुक अवे हिज गोल्ड. एंड टुक अवे ये भी हमारा फिनाइट हुआ. So with this we have completed this chapter, verbs conditionals, and after this I'll give you, you start writing from here. Give the title, verbs conditional, chapter number 9. Write the definition and then give the example. Then you give 0 conditional facts. Just tell the clauses that 0 conditional means the absolute certainty. Give the definition and give 1 or 2 examples of each type and write this. ये आपने ज़रूर लिखना है बच्चे कॉपी में, because it is very important and you have to memorize it properly. Then you come to here. First conditional, real. Give the definition and 2 examples. Write this. This is very important. Then you come to second conditional. Give the definition and 2 examples. and this. Then you come to third conditional, give the definition and 2 examples, and again the formula. Then you come to the mixed conditionals, give the definition, 2 examples with that, and this part very important. You have to memorize all this, and you can make this table in also in your notebooks. इससे भी आपको याद हो जाएगा. If you will write this now, so you will more easily understand it. So it is better you make this table in your book. No, sorry, we have done this. I am talking about the finite. This definition and these clauses, one example of each. Then you come to the non-finite. Non-finite, you have to give the definition and then mention. Then mention gerunds, give the definition and give the example of that. Then you come to the participles and infinitives. इनकी आपने डेफिनेशन देके एक एक 2 एग्जाम्पल देने हैं सबके, ठीक है, ऐसे. और उसके बाद ये इन्फिनेटिव्स, वी कम टू हियर infinitives. Then give the 2 examples of each. Then come to the bare infinitive, give the definition and 2 examples of each. Give all these conditions and example of each. And with this you complete this lesson, and after that I'll give you the practice exercises. Okay, class 8th?